In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful sunset Mount Calvary design using paint pens. So we're going to start by blocking out our colors. So I'm going to use a lighter orange in the center, some darker orange around that, red, then purple, then blue, and then black. And I'm leaving a little space between each color just as I'm laying it out. And now I'm going to come back in and marry them together. So we're going to get a nice wet edge of the two colors. And you can kind of blend them with your paint pens a little bit, but I like to come in with a slightly damp brush. I'm getting most of the moisture off, and then you just kind of wiggle the two colors together. So again, you're going to want to have fresh wet paint in between. So we're going to add both colors on both sides again, and then come back in with that paintbrush and just kind of, you're going to just kind of wiggle right along the seam to blend those edges together. I'm not using a lot of pressure, and I'm just using the very tips of the brushes to kind of get those colors to blend. So we're going to continue this all the way up our rock, add both colors. You'll see here that I have a damp paper towel. I'm wiping off the color that was on there before so that you don't muddy up your colors too much. Just go in there, wipe off the extra paint when you need to, and just kind of blend these colors together. I am working on a white base coated rock, so I'm not needing to do a lot of extra layers. If it's not blending well enough, get all the colors, make sure that you let them dry, and do the second layer as blending. So again, I'm just continuing my way all the way up my rock until I'm blending into the black here at the very top. Once you're happy with your sunset, we're going to add our ground. So just a nice thick layer of black, and I even bring that black kind of up along the edges just to kind of frame it a little bit and clean up the edges a little bit as well. I did come in now with a little slightly smaller paint pen to add a little texture along my line. I didn't want it to be a crisp line because it's grass. Once you've got that on, it's time to place your three crosses. I like the center cross to be a little bit taller than the two on the outer edges. Lay them out nice and thin first. Once you have your crosses on your rock, you can come back in after and thicken them up slightly if you want to. So I'm going to leave our Easter Rocks playlist that we have here on Facebook in the description. Don't forget to seal your rock. If you have questions about that, let me know in the comments.